Hello guys, thank you for watching the video and welcome to my channel. And this is going to be the first video of this channel, and this channel is all about programming and web technologies. I'm gonna teach you everything from scratch to end, so just bear with me. And today we are going to start with React, and this is my challenge to you that you will never find this kind of website in YouTube or anywhere. That's my guarantee. So what we're gonna build is it's a complete clone of Facebook, and it is built with React front end. The backend is Node.js, and for the data storage I have used Cloudinary, and for the live chatting and video calling I have used Socket.io. So let's get started and learn about this website. Perfect. So let me log in first with my name. So yeah, here you can see I have logged in successful, and you can see the page is very similar to Facebook. Here we have story section. You can watch stories by just selecting. You can create story here. You can see this page very similar as Facebook. And yeah, if you go on the home page, we have like what's on your mind section, so this is also similar as Facebook. And here you can add photos, videos, just text, anything. And yeah, you can like the post, unlike, so the animation is similar as real Facebook. Here we have comment sections, you can hide or show. You can just send message like this is my new comment, and here is your new comment. And here you can also add some videos as well. As you can check here that this also supports videos along with text. This is just text. And yeah, so this is the basic homepage. So if you wanna check the stories, you can just click on the name, and here you go, you can check the stories. You can next, you can go next, or you can go previous, irrespective of the number of stories. And here we have everything like video, audio, text, everything. And the amazing feature I can share you with is like this website has dual mode. So when I enable the dark mode, you can exactly feel like Facebook. So you can go to this timeline page. In the timeline I can upload the photo, I can update the profile photo, I can update the new photo, and this is my cover photo, and these are all the photos I have, and these are friends. And there is nothing in the about section as of now, but we can edit later. And this is post. This is the similar component which is used in the home page. The only thing is here you can see whoever is writing on your timeline. Like in this case I have written this, so it's showing my name. In case if someone else has written something on my timeline, then you can see here, just one moment, yeah, that this person has written on your timeline. Yeah, so everything is good, right? Perfect. Now I'm gonna share one other feature of Facebook, I mean the clone of Facebook. So once I log in to the website with different account, you can immediately see the live user. Here we go. Like I have logged in here in one tab, and I have another which is here. So yeah, you can check it here. I can have all the friends. I can also show you by logging another window. Just one moment. Let me sign in this user, and as you can see, now I haven't refreshed any page. I haven't done anything. Everything is here, as you can see. Pretty good, right? Yeah. So now I can show you, like, there is a notification, so you can check it here, different kind of notifications. And yeah, we have like friends section where you can say pending requests, friend request, all friends. You can go to the friends timeline, and yeah, that's the friends timeline. You can check the photos, and this is everything is uh, done using lazy loading. So I mean, like, initially I'm just fetching 3 or 4 posts, and once you scroll down, reach to the bottom, it's gonna make an API call to backend, and it's gonna populate the post, I mean the new post. Pretty amazing, right? And I'm gonna share one more feature. Like, you can go to user profile, you can select on the message, and it's gonna open up the pop-up, and it's amazing, right? You can also minimize, as you can see, it's here. You can go to home page, and the pop-up is still here. You can open it, you can check the messages, you can chat it from here. I can close it, I can open this from here as well, like that. Okay, and one more, like, we have a chatting section. So you can see here, this is the user, so I'm just fetching 5 messages, and as I scroll to top, it's gonna fetch another 5 messages. Pretty cool, right? Perfect. And here you can also see, like, the user profile, I mean whoever is online in the chat section. So you just need to select the conversation, and as you can start typing, you can get the messages. Yeah, so this is very cool, right? Like, it has, you can create the stories, you can have friends, and pretty many things this website is having. So it's almost a clone of Facebook, you can say. So yeah, from now onwards, we are going to build this entire clone of the Facebook very soon, and I'll be starting a series soon on front end as well as back end. So just bear with me, and please do not forget to subscribe this channel, as this will be very helpful to you, because I'm going to bring such kind of amazing projects. So if you want this kind of projects, please don't forget to subscribe and make comments. Thank you very much.